Okay, in this video I'm going to play Rubins Train, which is a fun little bluesy piece that we're playing in the beginning class. It has lots of slides, and we also use the low one, which is off your tape. It's way back here, as close as you can get to the nut, which is this little ridge, without touching it. So I'm going to also play with the slides. I'm going to add the slides in. You can do that or not do that. And if you need to slow it down, just use YouTube's playback option, and you can slow it down to 25%, 50, 75%, whatever you need. So I'll give you 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So it's a great opportunity to practice slides. Slides are very subtle, so if you go too far, it sounds kind of like, a cat or a horror movie. You want to I'm just bending. Just a little bit. So that it doesn't get overly nauseating. Okay, so have fun with this one. Slides or no slides are totally fine.